I have for you today? I've got you the Optisolex Solar Bag 400. Let's hope that I didn't hack that real bad, but there's the name right there. There's the bag. There's a 400 watt solar panel in there. Why am I showing you this? Well, everybody that watches our channel, most of you have got yourself some kind of solar charger for your vehicle, for your camping, for your RV transport, for your life, whatever you're doing. And sometimes you need another way to charge it if you're parked for a long period of time. This bag actually opens up and it has two 200 watt solar panels that you can connect. You could lay this on the top of your truck, you could lay it on the bed, you could lay it, heck, you could lay it on top of your camper. You could put it pretty much anywhere and just plug it into your generator and have 400 watts of solar. And that's why I wanted to show you this, because this, as you can see, is larger than a laptop, you know, not as big as my 24-inch flat screen TV, so it would fit in my truck very easy to have with me no matter where I'm at. And that's why I wanted to show you this. So let's get it unboxed or unbagged and let's show you how it works real quick. And this might be something to solve your problems for those long camping trips when you just don't have enough battery. Well, that's what it looks like when it's all laid out. Right down the center of this, you can see there's a zipper right there. So it's basically two panels zipped together. So if you wanted to, you could unzip that. You could use it 200 for one unit and 200 for another unit, or hook it all together and charge it 400. It does have some loop hooks on it, so you could hang this up from a tree or from a tent or whatever you're using, but it's very nice and very compact. So let me flip it over real quick and we'll show you what the other side looks like. All right, we got it all flipped over. Just a couple little quick notes. It doesn't come with a little splitter thing here so that you can turn two into one. Make sure you get a set of those. Maybe a longer extension too, so if you want to go and keep it 15, 20 feet away from your solar generator to charge it up, you can do that. It does come with these little hooks so you could hang it and stuff like that. All of that's awesome. You could just split it and use one panel, but if you wanted to get the usage of both panels, you're going to need some splitter like that. It tells you, and it says 440 and 220. This kit says it's a 400 kit. I'm not sure why. It says each one of these panels is 220, so you got 440. It tells you if you use them both, 36 volts. Pretty much everything you need to know is right there. Everything comes in the kit. I think this is a great kit to have, especially, you know, if you're in that situation where, you know what, I don't have solar panels on my vehicle. I don't have any of that because I don't have room for it. Well, and I don't need it all the time. So now you're out doing a little camping trip. You don't want to run your truck or your camper or whatever you are to charge your stuff back up. Even if you just carry a solar generator in your van or your car, this is a great way. Just throw it on top of your vehicle, let it charge everything back up when you're out for that hike or fishing or whatever, and you're ready to go. And you don't have to worry about mounting things onto your vehicle. You just don't have to worry about it. And you have it whenever you need it, and it folds right up in that little box. So this is what I wanted to show you. I'm throwing this in one of our videos. I think it's great for the people that watch our channel. We don't get paid for this. We actually get this equipment for free. I kept this one for myself. It's my spare one I keep in my truck because sometimes I get in areas where the sun is not shining on my vehicle. It's being blocked by something. I run out one of my extension cords. I lay this out there on a picnic table at a campground or whatever and get everything charged up that way. So just another way of the channel, the Riverstone Life, because it's right there. Just trying to give you other ideas and other ways to make things work. But everything will be down in the description. It'll get you over there if you want to buy this. Make sure you buy a couple little splitters like them ones right there, and make sure you get yourself an extension cord. You can buy all that from Amazon. I'll throw some of that down there in the description and the links so that you can make it easier for you. And how do we end these videos? Like we always end these videos. Always.